In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to set and release the parking brake on a 2022 Kia Forte. Pretty simple process once you know what you're looking for. Right in the center of the console of the vehicle, this does not have an electronic parking brake. It's still got the lever kind. To operate the parking brake, you're just going to pull up on it firmly and it's going to lock in position. When you do that, you'll also notice up on the dash, it's going to say brake. So that tells us that the parking brake has been set. To release the brake, all you're going to do is push in on this button. At the same time you pull up and you'll feel it release. You'll push it all the way down while you're still holding that button. Now you'll notice on the screen that the brake indicator has now been turned off. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple process. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.